Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I have a mukbang and I am eating, some homemade corn dogs. Now I've made, sorry, it really makes me laugh when I say corn dog. Now I've made these corn dogs by putting yellow, what was it called that I put in? Yellow cornmeal with sugar and flour and egg. And these are how they've turned out. So I'm just going to get right into it because they're going to get cold. I really, really like them. They're not as crispy as they should be because I have I've been waiting for a while because I had to wait for my delivery because I'm actually going to eat it with some mother-in-law kimchi. Now I've got, this is the white kimchi. I want you to give it a go. Now I much prefer this kimchi than the other one because the other one was the red pepper one and it was a bit, I don't know, a bit spicy for me. We all know how much I literally cannot stand spicy stuff. Is that better? I'm having to sit down a bit lower. These are so good. I've never actually made corn dogs before. And I saw a few recipes on YouTube. Now I have ketchup and mayonnaise on the side also. And you'll have to excuse me, I'm really, really not well. I've got the worst cold of my entire life. It's really, really annoying. This kimchi is so good. Now, in case you don't know what kimchi is, it's fermented cabbage, Napa cabbage. And it's so nice. It's very, it tastes like fizzy. It's really, really, really strange. But these have turned out amazing. I'm really impressed with these. And I've never had corn dogs, but in America it's quite common street food. I'm so hungry. These are basically hot dogs with like a batter. And the batter's quite sweet as well. So I really, really like that. Now I hope everyone's having a fantastic week or weekend or whatever day it is where you are. I'm just trying to get over this cold, it's so bad. I'm drinking Livy, which is like LaCroix, but it's like a spin-off. So it's basically just 0 preservatives, unsweetened sparkling lemon water, which is so good. These are amazing. Now let me know, do you prefer me to talk a lot in these videos or do you just want me to eat? I'm not quite sure what the ratio, how to get it, you know, how to get the ratio quite right. So this is ketchup and mayo combination here. So good. Oh, I feel like I've inhaled that now. I'm like, ugh. You know, the air goes to your stomach. Kimchi? So good. Now this kimchi took literally so long to arrive because it came from America, and I was so worried I wasn't going to be able to make this mukbang because it took so long to come. And the tracking was literally, I was stood outside the window and the delivery man was here, and it was so embarrassing because he saw me outside the window. Now I've got 2 left. I've literally just eaten them so fast. Oh, I'm just hoping this cold like goes. It's so annoying. It really is annoying. Because I might have one more. Not. I'll have the small one. It's so hard to eat with it. Really skewered. I think I'm going to keep this one for later. I'm really full. I think it's really best to practice intuitive eating, which is eating when you're full. I don't want to overindulge myself with lots of food, so I feel satisfied now. And I really, really love those corn dogs. They've come out really, really well. So I hope you have an amazing rest of the week or evening, afternoon, whatever you're doing. Don't forget to like the video, thumbs up. Same thing. Tell me what your favourite food is. Do you like corn dogs? Do you not? What's your favourite fast food? What would you like to see me do next? Don't forget to press the notification bell to be notified when I next upload too, because that really helps me out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.